Om Sai Ram to all you beautiful Baba lovers out there. Hope you all are doing good and hope you all are, as usual, praying and fighting and loving Baba for whatever he is. Did you all know that Dwarka Mai, when Baba had gone first time, I know you all must be knowing the story of how Baba had actually gone to Shirdi. First was because he was sitting somewhere and he was just burning his chillam and he was having his chillam. There, a man called Chand Patil, he was walking there looking for his mare, which was missing, and he sees Baba looks at him and he asks him, "What happened? Why are you looking so stressed?" So he says, "Baba." He doesn't say Baba. He says, "I'm looking out for my mare." So he says, "Go look that side." This man is a little shocked, and then he still goes because he says, "Okay, let's just go." And then he finds the mare over there, and then he comes back and he thanks Baba. So and he thanks the fakir. He is basically a fakir at that time, so he thanks him, and Baba asks him, "Would you want to have a smoke?" And then then this man asks him, "Ki, where is your home?" So Baba says, "The world is my home," and that's how Chand Patil says, "Come with me for my sister's wedding, which is happening in Shirdi," and that is how Baba first went to Shirdi. Now, when he went to Shirdi, that was the first time. Actually, you all even know this, that the Masalpati, I have already said in one of my videos that Masalpati tells him, "Come Sai, welcome Sai," and from there his name actually started becoming Sai. And first time when he saw Dwarka Mai, the old mosque, it was totally broken down, it was not good, and but Baba decided that he will stay there, and Baba decided that he will make that place so much beautiful and so much enthralling that people will come there and people will love him and respect him and come to the place where he is, because for Baba, be it rich or poor, be it lovable or be it good or bad, for Baba everyone is one and the same. And that's the reason he went to the mosque, he stayed there, and that is how it is called as Dwarka Mai, because in Dwarka Mai all are equal. Dwarka Mai is a place where you go and your troubles are resolved, and Dwarka Mai is a place where Baba lives, and where Baba lives there can be no stress, there can be no tension, or there can be no issues. But you all must be wondering, how come there will be no issues? Issues everyone has. Even I have named my house as Dwarka Mai. I also have issues, but I know one thing, that this man, my Baba, will solve it and will make me come out of it. So today let's do the message which Baba wants to give. Healing power of the Udi. I have always believed in this, and in many of my times I have said that Udi is very powerful. So today, if you are having any health issues or someone known to you is having any health issues, just take a little bit of Udi, mix it in water and give it to the person with full faith that the person is becoming healthy. And believe me, I have also tried this. The moment you have this Udi, every toxin, every unwanted energy, every blockage, be it physical, be it emotional, anything at all, just releases from your body, and then it becomes good. Now, if you don't have the Udi, you can go to any Baba temple nearby and you can bring the Udi from there. Let us see what is the next message which Baba is bringing in. I'm just picking from two different cards. Karmic debt. Pay off your debts and try not to accumulate. This, I believe in this very strongly. I feel whatever we have done in our past lives, we don't know. At least in this life, we should do good things and we should not accumulate new bad things that we need to suffer in future, or we need to face it in another life if there is another life for us. So always do good things, even if according to you have never harmed anyone, you've never done anything wrong. Just do some good deeds in this birth and collect some good blessings, collect some positive beautiful blessings, and I'm sure Baba will also bless you, and you will bring in good karmas, you will bring in good positive and beautiful energies around you and that of your family members. With that, I am signing off. Om Sai Ram to all you beautiful Baba lovers out there.